Good morning, everyone. Al Sutherland is off again this week, so you have me solo. And of course, we're going to start right away with the newest drought monitor map. So let's see what we have. Well, you can probably tell it hasn't rained a lot. If you're lucky, you probably got a little bit of rain, but lack of rain and summer usually means increasing drought or dry conditions. And that's exactly what we see this week. The abnormally dry, that yellow on the map, has increased in north central down into parts of central Oklahoma. We just got rid of that area a couple of weeks ago, so we're right back into the fire there. And the D1 has increased just a little bit out in the Panhandle and a little bit in central Oklahoma. So changes going on in the drought with the lack of rainfall and the summer heat. We can see that rainfall. It's the 7-day rainfall accumulation, and you can see lots of white and light blue on that map. There are some good areas, the green up in northwestern Oklahoma. Dewey and Custer counties got some rain. Look out there in the Panhandle. Kenton got 4.69 inches of rain in just a couple of days. That's incredible for those folks. That's not only one of the wettest 2-day periods for them, that's also one of the wettest months in their history. So a lot of rainfall up there, no worries. And again, some good rainfall up in northeastern Oklahoma and scattered around here and there. Why is the drought still here? Well, we showed last week that departure from normal for the last 60 days. Again, this is through July 17th. We can see deficits of 2 to as many as 7 inches scattered about the northwestern half of the state. There are some green areas thrown in there where they've gotten a little bit extra rainfall. And of course, the southeastern half of the state where they've gotten lots of good rainfall over the last 60 days, and so no drought worries there, at least as of now. Now our concerns are, how do these dry patches of weather translate to impacts? And as we can see in the soil moisture maps, starting to impact us quite considerably. This is the 1-day average 4-inch plant available water, basically how much water's in that soil for plants to use in the top 4 inches, so the topsoil. And basically the northwestern half of the state, again, very dry to bone dry, with a few areas where they've gotten some soaking rains. But again, that's a signal that there are impacts from the dry stretch of weather over the last week to going out to 60 to 90 days. And then if we look down farther for the entire 32-inch column from the topsoil on down, again, we can see that northwestern part of the state down into southwestern Oklahoma, drawn down into central Oklahoma, very dry. So that soil column has been impacted by the long-term dryness, again down to 32 inches. So we need rainfall. What else is new, right? But unfortunately, it is summer, a time when evaporation does tend to outpace our moisture from precipitation. So hopefully we can get some summer storms in here, a little bit wider scale over the next couple of weeks, start to tamp down a little bit on this dry weather. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.